Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to write a compelling bio on Roblox. Why would you want to know how to write a compelling bio on Roblox? Well, maybe it is your first time using Roblox and not sure how to write a compelling bio on Roblox. So today I am going to show you how to write a compelling bio on Roblox. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Writing a compelling bio on Roblox is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open Roblox. Click on display name at top right side. Now click on edit profile. From here in about section, you can write a compelling bio and then click on save. There you go. If you wanted to know how to write a compelling bio on Roblox, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.